So today we're installing an ID scanner on a mini wall. You will get a cable like this, an ID scanner, and a cable. You first have to take and undo this screw here. This screw here. You have to pull it this way. Undo cable motor 8, cable motor 7. Set the tray to the side. You will then have to undo one screw here and one screw down here. One screw there. To make it easier, undo this cable here and this cable here. Let this fall down. You will then take this cable and plug it into the top USB like so. You will then take and put this back up here like so. And this screw back in here. You will then take this cable. It is keyed. It only goes one way. It goes in there. This is also keyed. It only goes in one way. Do not force either wire. Plug in there. You will then take this cable, USB side, plug it into the USB extender, and set everything in like so. You will then take the ID scanner. There will be a plate here. It is white, like so. There are a total of 4 golden nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take those off, take the plate off. You take this with scanner down. You install. Place in all 4 nuts, finger tight. Like so. You will then take and snug up all the nuts. Like so. You will then take that side of the cable, plug it into the ID scanner. You will then take the tray with your cables. They are marked 7 and 8. 7 will go into the back. Once again, it is keyed. The latch piece is on the top. Latch piece that you push down to get the cable off is on top. Put that there. Then you take your screws. And there's going to be 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. That is where the tray goes. Making sure it's all the way back. Pause it. You will then take the other screw, put it in there, and you are done. That is how you install the ID scanner.